What's up? Welcome back to Animal Restaurant. I have recorded. I just tried recording this video, but the screen recorder app I'm using right here, see it? It stopped recording, and I hired. I wasn't even finished with the video, but basically I hired Gigi the waiter up on the top, the little black cat, and then Eggy the cleaner, whatever the heck he was, just cleans the kitchen. But anyways, I'm trying to get the garden. We need a rating of 300. So let's just quickly get that. Gigi, why are you serving people when there's no one here? Basically, Gigi serves people for 100 seconds, but takes a 250-second break. It's so stupid. Anyone who buys rice bowls gets 50% off. Oh yeah, we are back. We are back, baby. Come back. Come back. Thank you very much, Gigi. You're actually doing your job. Earlier when I was trying to record this video, like I said, he was doing absolutely nothing the whole time. He's kind of useless. I gave him a raise a bit earlier though, and now he serves customers for 120 seconds, which is 2 minutes. Hasn't even been 2 minutes on this video yet, so very good. You're welcome. You're Eggy? Eggy? You doing good. Okay. Is there any recipes we could get? I got an espresso earlier, but, video wasn't recording, didn't finish. Okay. Our rating is still the exact same. There's rubbish on the floor. Oh my goodness. Okay, come on. We need to get a rating, please. Come on. They mad with the fish on the floor? Come on, please. Come on, come on. My finger's tired. Guys, I'm not gonna make it. If I stop speaking and nothing happens throughout the rest of this video, it might be because I'm dead from clicking. Oh, gosh. Welcome to Riley's Rice Restaurant. Oh my gosh, we're getting the customers at the door. Hey, yo, hey, yo, bro. Okay. Hey, you going, Eggy? You going good? Okay, Eggy good. Eggy good. Fish. We need 300 stars, but we don't even have 200. The rating hasn't even gone up. Get out of the kitchen. Gordon Ramsay's getting replaced, bro. You're Gordon Ramsay. He's about to get replaced. Bye, Riley. I nearly just said my last name, by the way. Not gonna ever leak that, no matter how much subscribers I get. Oh my goodness! The customers! Oh, I'm so sorry for not... I was shocked how much customers there are at the door. Hold up. Hey, Gigi. Help out a little bit. Oh, gosh. They take time to, actually order. Dude, I need another one of those rich kids right now. Okay, we're still recording. Just need to make sure. Okay, great. Boom, 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 boom. Any card? No? Oh, card. Yep. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Our rating ain't going up. Yo, GG's. How are we gonna make this go up? How are we gonna do this? Yo, should we give Eggy a raise? Eggy's working non-stop to help out this place. Eggy, congrats, raise. Yo, Eggy, keep working, bud. Okay, we fell off, bro. We need, okay, our rating went up by 2. That absolutely sucks. My goodness. GG, quit drinking Coca-Cola behind my back. See how he has his arms behind his back? I bet he's drinking Coke or something. You're welcome to Rice Restaurant. Yo, anyone who gets buys rice bowls, gets 70% off. Yo, round buddy down the bottom. Thank you. 70% off. Okay. Guys, remember my face reveal? Not sure if you know, but my face reveal is when we hit 10,000 subscribers. So please subscribe. That's what my parents agreed to. So please. Bro, I just don't want to hide behind this camera. So make sure to like and subscribe. Okay. Yo. Our rating needs to go up like crazy right now. Yo, Eggy, you good? Eggy, good? Eggy looks kind of like Gummy. Does he not? Ooh. Okay. Yo, welcome. Okay. Thank you for eating here. Okay. We fell off. We're cooked. My fingers are hitting my nose right now. Oh, 70% off. Thank you, sir. Oh, bunnies, says, whatever. Yo, dear, 70% off for you. Thank you. Oh, my goodness. Yo, let Gigi cook. Let him cook. Let Gigi cook. Woo. Oh, my fingers, guys. I need to swap fingers. Oh my gosh, look at all the code on the floor. Hey, yo, bro, we doing this. Yo, by the end of the week, which is literally in like 3 days for where I am right now, we are going to have replaced Gordon Ramsay. Oh, the COD is insane. No one been donating. Welcome. Oh my gosh, there's so much customers. Look outside, guys. Look at the door. Nah. We're cooked. So sorry, guys. Had to make a quick cut in the video because it stopped recording. And we absolutely fell off. Okay. By the way, I just screamed at the top of my lungs in my house, bro. We just keep stopping. I just finished recording that first part of the video just before the cut that just happened. It's saving at the time I'm doing what I'm doing right now. Oh my goodness, I wish I could dang fire. GG. GG. Like, bro, just, you can be a little more useful, don't you think? Okay. Eggy boy. Capybara. Yo, just for the next time. Gigi's taking orders when there's no orders to take. So let's get a bunch of people. Yo, Gigi cooking. Gigi cooking. Let Gigi cook. Let Gigi cook right now. Let's go. Yo, Gigi, cook. Do it. Cook right now for me. Yo! So much COD. Our rating has barely gone up. Your bro's nearly already taking care of all the orders. Why is there a water bottle on the floor? Yo, Gigi, you better be doing this properly right now. We need another waiter. Honestly, okay. Yo, just saying, but who should we hire next? Dory, the promoter. I'm guessing he just promotes without us having to click. Opricat, the sweeper. I guess he's just like Eggy, but a bit better. Timmy, the server. I guess he serves people. Lucky, the cashier. Chef Gummy, Prince the gardener. Messenger Hedwig. Is that a Harry Potter reference? Temp worker Yolky. Fisherman Rabbit Ding. Delivery boy Tate. Delivery girl Kate, support chef Meow, CD the waiter. Yeah, I for real think we should get Opry Cat at the sweeper. Oh, bro, why did you? You're welcome. Thank you. Oh, oops. Okay. Anyone who buys rice bowls gets. What do I say this time? 90% off. Yep, that's right. 90% off for anyone who buys dang rice bowls. Come on, please. Please, I need money. Why aren't our views going up? What is happening? Yo, so much people getting the rice bowls. Yo, is my strategy working right now? For real though. Whoops. Yo, it for real might be working. Okay, you're doing good, Eggy. Did that brown bunny just teleport in here? Okay, come on. Welcome. Yo, bro, we might need to wrap this up soon. It's like at least 11, maybe 13 or 12 minutes into the video right now. Maybe 14 or 15, but we might need to wrap it up soon. But I'll keep on recording until the little timer here gets to 10. Because that is me recording right now in this new clip. Yo, we fell off. Should we hire the promoter? Skunk. Ooh. Skunk